2015 6.6 Duramax 4-wheel drive LTZ with 58,000 miles. Would open the doors, but it's kind of hard to see. But the doors, it's got a crease right here. All the airbags inside are popped. Hit low, didn't mess up the frame at all. Headlight on that side's good, the fender's the worst over here. This is for Rock and Scott over there. But the rest of the body's cherry. He's got 58,000 miles. It's gonna be his daily. We're gonna jack it up, probably do a 6-inch lift on it. So stay tuned for the build. I think he's gonna go ahead and start tearing it apart today. Since I'm finishing up the Civic today. Bronco's over there. Blake Sylvia's all on the ground. Lots of stuff going on, but it's gonna be awesome. We got one diesel, cracked windshield too. We got the one diesel and we got obsessed. My dad's had diesels forever. This is his first Duramax. Comment down below what you think we should do to it. If we should do 6-inch, 8-inch, 40s, 37s, or 35s. I think he's gonna go 22-inch rims. So yeah, guys, stay tuned. We're gonna hook this thing up. We just moved it down here. We're gonna tear apart the front end and we're gonna go from there. So let's get started. We're back working on the Duramax today. We made some serious progress as far as removing the whole radiator core support, putting the new radiator and intercooler on. We also removed both fenders. Got the driver's side fender mounted, most of the battery trays on. Waiting on the other fender to come in, and we have to go get an AC condenser as well. Still waiting on bumper, grill, and headlights. I got to install a transmission cooler today, and then the header panel, and still all the interior airbags. So stay tuned. We're gonna go through all that, either fast pace or whatever, and keep started on that. So I'll show you a little overview of everything we've done. All right, as you can see, the other fender was smashed right here. We actually had to take a saw and kind of cut out of it so we didn't damage the door. We got a few paint chips, but nothing too crazy. Hood hinges and everything were fine. Whole core support's bolted in. That's all there. Boom, boom.